Hello, friends. I'm back again with something truly mind bending, a story, a theory, a thought experiment that just might change the way you look at time. Today, we're diving into multiverse and timelines, but not just the textbook kind. We're talking about the kind that makes you question, what if someone's future could become your past? Let's begin. Imagine a scientist, not in a lab full of wires and blinking lights, but in the quiet space between genius and obsession. This person, they've done the unthinkable, cracked time travel, at least on paper. Every theory, every equation, complete. But there's a catch. The machine, it'll take 30 years to build, too long to wait. So, a decision is made, a shortcut. A note is written, a message to the future, a simple line of hope or threat. Meet me, 20 November 2025 at 5:30 p.m. 18.5296 632 73.8551844. Or I'll burn this theory forever. The note is sealed, hidden, and the waiting begins. Time passes. The world keeps spinning, but no one comes. So the paper burns, and with it, the future just gone. But wait, let's step out of this timeline for a second. Because what if, in another universe, someone did show up? What if the paper wasn't burned? What if the meeting happened, the theory lived, and time travel actually worked? Here's where it gets interesting. The multiverse isn't a bunch of straight lines running in parallel. It's more like threads, twisting, turning, occasionally touching. And in those rare moments of perfect alignment, one timeline's past becomes another's future. That's the moment a traveler arrives, not from our future, but from a different version of reality, where everything went just a little bit differently. Now pause, because here's the twist. In this timeline and the one where the paper burned, the note suddenly reappears. Unburned, untouched. Impossible? Maybe not. On it, one line. We've already met. So what just happened? This wasn't time travel in the traditional sense. This was a timeline crossover, a multiversal handshake. The rules? They're not broken. They're just bigger than we thought. Here's the hypothesis. Time is linear within one universe, but when two timelines align, one's past can merge with another's future. And in that narrow overlap, information, people, even decisions can cross over. And that's where the real magic lies. Not in building a time machine, but in realizing that maybe, just maybe, you're already living in someone else's future. If that made you think even a little, hit like, subscribe, and let's keep questioning the edges of reality, one idea at a time.